Each new day is an opportunity for you to improve yourself. Each new day is an opportunity for you to be better than you were yesterday. Guys, if you are on this fitness journey, it's not easy to wake up at 5 a.m., 6 a.m., whatever time that you do wake up to do your daily routine and still ensure that you do some type of fitness activity. Health is wealth, and we have to take it serious. We have to incorporate, whether it's stretching each morning, whether it's running for 5 minutes, whether it's weightlifting, whatever you do to make sure that you are building your strength, you are building your fitness level, you are building a healthy lifestyle. You cannot give up. You cannot give up. Giving up is not an option when it comes to your health, guys. Okay, if you are new, make sure you like, share, comment, okay, and subscribe to the channel. Today I want to motivate you to become better. I want to motivate you to become great. I want to motivate you to let you know I am not at my highest, I am not at my best, but what I do every day is I remind myself that, you know what, it's okay that I didn't do a 20 minutes on a treadmill, but you know what, I've done my 5 minutes, I've done my 3 minutes, and as long as I am consistent, and I am consistent, I know that I will see results. So guys, be consistent in your fitness journey. Be consistent, because that's when the results will come. The results will not come without your consistency. Whether it comes to eating healthy, be consistent with it. Be consistent with your stretchings and your fitness and your workout. Be consistent with it in order for you to see results. We are not perfect, but we have to love our imperfections. We are here to succeed, and I want us to succeed in all aspects of our lives. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you feel motivated, because you know what? It's all about daily consistent habits. Build those daily consistent habits and you will see results.